Can you hear that? That horrible sound. It's so amazingly gross. It's prayer time. It's prayer time in the land of Arabia. It makes you walk on water. I'm standing in the middle of the pool on water. See, look. I did not just nearly fall over. Ah yes, back to prayer time. It's just one of those times where you wish that you could shoot someone in the head. I'm all for violence, you know. I mean, for puppy dogs and kittens and rainbows and butterflies and unicorns that poo rainbows and butterflies. Yeah, so anyway, I hope you heard the ghastly noise that I have to listen to every single night. Bye.